We are on the outdoor living screen porch area at our Seven Stones project. Wanted to talk about the screen system itself. So this is all from scratch, custom wood, old school screen systems. We've basically got a bottom rail, we've got a middle rail, we've got a top rail, and then we've got the end, and our screens fit in behind these beaded stops and then get captured by another beaded stop on the inside. We'll put our screen system in here. The screen will have a metal frame, and then we will actually bury that metal frame inside this stop so you can see it from both directions. That'll actually pinch right against that metal stop and create this really beautiful reveal, and that bead will run all the way around here and here, and that ties into a lot of other things we got going on in the house where that certain size bead is implemented everywhere. It's a really heavy, like 1/2 inch 3/8 bead. When you get water sitting in these areas and working its way into the joints, that's really the death of a screen system. We've got slope and curve here and here to make sure that that water never sits on these areas. We've got a little gap here so any water that gets inside that porch can work its way out. And then as you work your way up, you'll see that continuously. We've got a pitch here and slope, so any water that gets on here continues to drop down the face. And then it doesn't look like it, but you've got slope on that piece as well. So in general, really robust from a standpoint of being able to shed water, move water off of the wood. From a woodworking perspective, you've got this really beautiful continuation of this round over here and here. You've got the custom lamb's tongue columns that our local mill shop built. You've got the crown molding, the copper half-round gutters. You've got these little tiny soffit vents to help us get airflow. Those are centered on the columns. A lot of like really intricate, beautiful detailing. A lot of intentionality and understanding of how all these pieces and parts fit together to make sure that that end product really feels like it was dialed in from the beginning.